Hi, this is Yusuf from Tempicolor.com. In this video, we're going to we're looking at the joint class. The joint class in MySQL is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. The joint the joint class is divided into four. We have the inner, left, right, and full. In this video tutorial, we're going to look at some on how to use some of these joints. Okay, let's try to import a new table. Let's choose a file. We'll be importing this customer info. Okay. When you study the customer book details, we have a column customer name. And when you look at the customer info, we have a column named the customer name. So the relationship between the two columns is the relationship between the customer book details and the customer info is this column, the customer name. So you can you can join these two tables together. Is called the inner joint. The inner joint returns a record that have matching values in both tables. Let's try to write a query and see how this works. In SQL, and specify select. Okay, I will show you how to write the fully qualified naming. Okay, first of all, you will specify the name of the table you want to as customer info. Then you press a dot. Then you write the name of the column that you want. Okay. Next, let's try to extract the information from the username, the name of the user from the customer book details. Okay, then you write a dot, then you write the customer name, that's the name of the column, customer name. Okay, next we'll be extracting the information from the customer info table. We'll be extracting the address of the customer. Okay, address of the customer. Okay, then you write from. Okay, and specify the name of the tables you'll be working, customer info. Since it is two table, you write a comma, then you specify the second table, customer book details. Okay, then use the while clause where the customer info where the customer info dot customer name is equals to customer book details dot customer name. Okay, let's copy this. Let's start to run it to see if we don't have any error. See, retrieve all the information for us. Okay, let's use the distinct keyword to make it a little bit. I've already discussed on the distinct keyword in our recent video tutorials. Okay, next we'll be looking at the left joint. The left joint return all records from the left table and the match record from the right table. Let's try to see how this works. Okay, let me press this. Okay, then you write the right left outer joint. Okay, what this refers is this customer info, that's the table on the left. Okay, while this customer book details, that's the table on the right. Okay, what this query refers is you should return all the record from the left table as all the record from the customer info table you want the record to be extracted, whereas the record from the right only when it matches this condition. Okay, and if you are using the left or the right joint, you should not use the word class. It will give you an error. You write on. Okay, so on. Okay, let's copy it. Let's start to run it. Start to run it. You see, it displays the name of the name. When you check at the customer book details, there is no user Abajimi. When you look at the customer info, you see we have Abajimi with the address area 11 Kerki because it doesn't have this record. That's why it gives you returns a non-value to you, or something like this. Okay, if you find this tutorial, don't forget to share with friends. We'll meet again in another tutorial. Thank you all for watching.